Hi, my name is Dorian, and I'm a recent graduate with a double major in International Studies and Russian language. This summer, Yale's Russian, Eastern European, and Eurasian department sponsored myself and a few other Americans on a one-week-long program in Budva, a vibrant coastal city in Montenegro. Partnering with a local university, we learned in Russian about investigative journalism alongside native Russian speakers. Because of this grant, I experienced for the first time the intellectual rigor of a course designed for native speakers, pushing me to communicate using academic and journalistic jargon. The professor invited many different field experts to speak to us via Zoom, and they supplemented his lectures with case studies and real-life examples, helping me to connect journalistic theory to practice. Our coursework culminated with a small presentation on a topic of our choice, and I discussed with the class how political conversations are understood socially in America. Outside the classroom, the other Americans and I explored Budva and found many opportunities to speak Russian. The waiters at the restaurant, beachgoers, and souvenir shop owners alike all asked us about the US and told us in kind about Montenegro. We spent time in Old Town, seeing the historic walls and famed ballerina statue of Budva, practicing our elementary Montenegrin as we went. We also took a day trip to the rich historical town of Cetinje, the former royal capital of Montenegro, which houses numerous former embassy buildings. This recently orchestrated program ultimately not only provided a space for me to interact with and learn from native speakers, but to gain a better understanding of Montenegrin culture and Balkan identities as a whole. Through discussions with the locals, the Russians in our class, and even our professor, I was able to put together a comprehensive picture of the Russian diasporic community in Montenegro and their place in local culture. My time there, though brief, has really inspired me to learn more about Balkan culture and has really shown me the importance of learning about the Soviet periphery as a Russian speaker. I'm extremely grateful for the sponsorship, and I really hope that other students have the same opportunities to explore these important cultural nuances and moments like I did.